Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gentil FS, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and also like this video while watching. So based on my previous video, I used the same indicator, though I added one on my main chart. So I used the same indicator to trade this market, and you can see I'm already in profit. So this is 1 hour time frame I'm using to trade this strategy. You can see this market is good, though I missed the crossover here, and also missed this black crossover on the main chart. But do you know what amazing things about this strategy is that when the market retraces, this moving average serves as a support or resistance in the market, and that is what gave me confidence to enter this market after I see another confluence of bearish engulf here. You can see where I entered market and entered again. So how does this strategy work? It works when there is a crossover here. I can take your TP, though I haven't taken my own TP, just I'm scrapping it for now because I didn't enter the market at the crossover here. But once you see this crossover, this black one crossing over this blue and red moving average here, then you enter a buy. But if you miss it like I do, and sometimes retest doesn't occur, but if you have patience enough, you'll be able to enjoy the market. So I missed it, then immediately there is a retest. This my moving average on main chart served as a support. Then as it served as a support, I have to wait for many other confluences to confirm that this market is really strong. That is when I see this bullish engulf, then enter the buy trade immediately. Immediately the candle closes. So let me show you another place where this thing work both in buying and selling. You can see it here. You can see it here. It acts as a resistance here on selling. That's a resistance. Do a cross here as a cross here. Then assuming you missed this here, then if you are still watching it, you would have entered the trade here because it starts as a resistance here. Also that is a bearish engulf candlestick here. Let me show you again. You can see this one, the market cross here, and then also this one also crossed here. So this is a wonderful strategy I'm using. You can see it here. So you can see this one here, the market crossed here. But if you missed it here, you have also entered the market around here. So this black one on the main chart is also serving as a support or resistance sometimes in the market. So you can see the thing is good. And before I end this video, let me show you the settings. So I'm using only this first moving average. I don't use this MACD. It is not part of the strategy I'm using now. Then this indicator. So on moving average on the main chart, period is 21, shift to 0, method is smoothed, apply to close, star is 4 pixel, any color you want, then click done. Then relative strength index, if you have watched my previous video, it is the same thing as this one, but let me show you the parameters. Period 9, apply to close, 3 pixel, color of your background, levels 60.59 oversold, 90.61 overbought, 45.9 TP level. This thing is very essential. Try to take your TP. Don't be greedy traders. Don't mind me while I'm doing that side, but try to take your TP. then 2 pixel black color, then go back and click done. Then envelopes, parameter period 9 shift to 0, deviation 0.001, method exponential, apply to auto close. Upper band and lower band are the same pixel and the same color. You click done. Moving average on the indicator window too. Add period 26, shift 0, linear weight, apply to close. Style, you can use any style color. Then you click done. Moving average, the second one, period 9 shift to 0, linear weight close 3 pixel. Then click done. And trader, if you find this content so valuable, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell.